I want to talk about the cycling jersey and cycling pants that Almontaire sent me to do a video on. First of all, let's start with the jersey. It's starting to get a little bit cooler. I still like to get out and do my bike riding, so this is going to be great. You see right there, long sleeve. It's got the elastic at the cuff, so it's going to stay right where you want it. Full zipper look. Down at the bottom, you see right here, it's got the elastic around the bottom, so it's going to stay right in place for you while you're cycling around. Taking a look at the back, it's got the 3 pockets restored, so you can throw your cell phone, an apple, a granola bar, whatever you want to store. Now taking a look at the pants right here, you can see full length as well. Down at the bottom, it's got the zipper. It's going to make it easier for getting your shoes on and off. Right here, taking a look at them, they've got the styling on the side. And taking a look inside, very important, the padding. That's going to keep everything feeling good while you're riding around. Now, as far as the sizing, I'm wearing an extra large for both of these. For the top, you can see the fit right there. It fits good. Just a tad bit loose, which is exactly what I was looking for. As far as the pants, I would have gone with a large to have to do it again. I'm about 5'7", 185. They're just a tad bit larger for me. So make sure you look around a little bit. Make sure you take some time with the sizing to make sure you get it right, because the feel is great. They're going to be absolutely phenomenal on the road. I'm excited for cooler weather and bike riding coming up real soon. If you need long sleeve jersey or long pants for cycling, click on the link in the description below.